Unraveling the mystery of cow shot, a unique phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to dive into a peculiar and less commonly known phrase, cow shot. It's not a phrase you'll hear every day, but it's an interesting one that's worth understanding. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this unique expression. At first glance, cow shot might seem like a strange combination of words. However, in English, idiomatic expressions often don't make literal sense. The phrase, cow shot, is typically used in a humorous or sarcastic manner. It refers to an easy opportunity or a task that is very simple to accomplish. The origin of this phrase is not clearly documented, but it is speculated to relate to the idea that hitting a large target, like a cow, wouldn't require much skill. Understanding how to use cow shot in conversation is crucial. This section will provide examples to illustrate its usage. 1. In sports commentary, he was only a few feet away from the goal with no defenders around. It was a cow shot, but he missed. 2. In everyday conversations, you're asking me to sort these files by date? That's a cow shot. I'll do it in no time. These examples help in understanding that the phrase is often used to describe tasks that are expected to be easy or situations where success seems guaranteed. To expand your vocabulary, let's look at some similar expressions. 1. Piece of cake indicates something very easy to do. 2. Walk in the park, another idiom for something that is very easy or effortless. 3. Child's play, used to describe a task that is so easy, even a child could do it. Understanding these similar phrases can provide more options for expressing the same idea in different ways. Remembering and using new phrases can be challenging, so here are some tips. Practice in context. Try using cow shot in your daily conversations or writing. Association. Link the phrase with a memorable image or situation. Listen for it. Pay attention to movies, shows, or native speakers where it might be used. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, cow shot. We hope you found this video insightful and that you feel more confident using this quirky expression in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't forget to explore other interesting idioms and phrases in the English language. Until next time, happy learning, and see you in our next video.